Okay, number 2, an apple is launched directly upward at 64 feet per second from an 80-foot tall platform. The equation for this apple's height, h, at a time of t seconds after launch is h equals negative 16t squared plus 64t plus 80. What is the maximum height of the apple? So again, we're going to go to Desmos. I would erase your first one. Actually, some of it you can leave. Remember, it's negative 16. We're going to change the t to an x. Push shift 6 to get our exponent. And then use our arrow keys to go back down. 64, instead of t, you need to put an x again. Plus 80. What? Yours is what? Oh, that's fine. Do you have 2 on there or just 1? That's why. If you erase the first one. Oh, maybe yours is just blue. You can. It might just be blue. You can change the color if you want. If the blue is hard to see, if you hit the. Oh, shoot. Y equals negative 16 x shift 6 squared arrow key plus 64 x plus 80. If you hit settings and then go to the dot, you can change the color. Which lines? Like your parabola or these? Oh, because you might be zoomed in more or something. Okay, let me see, Kim. Oh yeah, you're just zoomed in really far. So if you just zoom out, there you go. Yep. And then if you use both, I always have to use both fingers to like find the top. No, it's alright. I'm getting into this. I know, it's an easy outcome. Huh? Yeah, it is an easy outcome. I think Desmos is the hardest part. I feel like just controlling it is hard, but after you get the hang of it, yeah, it's easier and easier the more I do it. So. Yeah. Oh, hey. Thank you, ma'am. We're just in Desmos. Yeah. Yeah, but we're in the middle, so go ahead and grab your computer so we can show you real quick how to do this. Okay, so you have to find your maximum height. What's the maximum height the apple flew from being launched? What'd you get, Austin? 144. So again, whoops. If you go to the vertex, we talked about the y value being our answer for the height. So 144. Whatever works for you. So 144 feet. We're on number 2. Okay, and then you have to figure out how many seconds will it take for the apple to reach the ground. So again, you're looking for, oh my. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. There it goes. You're looking for your second x-intercept where it crosses the x-axis. What'd you get, Austin? 5, good. So you're going to use the first number of the x value for this one. Sure. So on the test, if we have these 4 You will just have the answers. Yeah, there's a way to work it out mathematically, right? We found the vertex in the last outcome. We did x equals negative b over 2a. Remember that? No, it'll probably just have just similar to this, where you just have to either multiple choice it or it'll just have you write it in. Okay. You can find the vertex. We did x equals negative b over 2a, and then we plugged it in, right? So you could find the vertex. We did not go over how to do letter B by hand, which would take us longer time than we have. So we decided in the time frame that we have, we're just going to go straight Desmos and do it that way. Okay. Yes, you can use Desmos on the test. Okay, we have about 6 minutes, so let's try to get through number 3. In science class, the students were asked to create a container to hold an egg. They would then drop the container from the window that is 25 feet above the ground. If the equation of the container's pathway can be modeled by the equation h equals negative 16t squared plus 25, how long will it take for the container to hit the ground? Well, why don't you take a guess real quick? What could be the maximum height of the container? Did you guys ever do an egg drop like junior high, right? Are they throwing anything in this one? They're not. They're just holding their hand out the window or off the roof or wherever and just dropping it, right? Yeah, so it's possible, probably, right, that our maximum height is probably 25 feet for this one because we're not throwing anything. So something to keep in mind. And then how long is it going to take to hit the ground? Okay, now, you already have the negative 16 squared in there. So instead of typing it over again, plus 25. And voila, we were right. So 25 feet is your maximum height. This is like the roof of your building where you drop the egg from. So how long is it going to take for it to hit the ground? Good, 1.25 seconds. Yep. I will answer that tomorrow. Yeah, most of the time it will be. I made the test, but it's been about a month since I looked at it. So if you ask me tomorrow, I'll look it up. What do we say, 25 feet? Okay. This is what we're working on the rest of the week. So if you felt like today was easy, you will be in good shape. It's okay. We'll catch you up tomorrow.